Just enough and welcome to my channel. In fact, welcome to this video tutorial. And this tutorial is mostly based on creating a simple application, Android application or iOS, what you like, in no time. It might be even less than just 10 minutes. So in this video tutorial, I'm not gonna go through the different technologies like really in detail. So there will be a subsequent video if you like that's going to explain the details of the technologies used here. But in the meantime, let's focus on the overview of these technologies. Firstly, I would like to give you some tips on what you're gonna use this tutorial for. You might be someone with a blog. Might want to represent some small stuff, basically static, and you want to create a quick Android application or iOS application to present your content. Um, this is the perfect tutorial for you. So you might want, for example, to have a presentation on tips on how to do something, and that content would not change with time, so there's no interaction with the back end. So this is the best way to do it. I'm going to show you right now. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use a set of technologies which are mostly known in the development world. You have first Android Studio, which is used to compile and run Android apps, build and run Android apps. For a moment, let's just take it like this. So you can see, to download Android Studio, go to developers.androidstudio.com and make sure you click on download Android Studio. When you download, make sure you install the Android Studio in your machine. So I have Android Studio on my machine. I'm currently running on the Mac, so let me open Android Studio for you to have a view on it. So let's type Android Studio. So this is how it launches Android Studio. It comes. So we're not gonna focus on this right now, so I'm gonna close it very quickly. We'll use it later in the video. So let's go to the second technology. Second technology is Apache Cordova. It's a technology developed by Apache. So this technology, as you can read here, is used to build mobile apps in HTML, CSS, and JS. So it will be a plus if you already know HTML, CSS, and JS, but don't worry for those who don't know it. We're gonna explain certain things, and if you like, I'm gonna do a video explaining these basics, the basic concepts of these technologies. So as you can see, Apache can compile videos in Android, iOS, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry, and you have 4 more. But let's focus on these two, Android and iOS. So when you're here, just click on Get Started. They're gonna explain you everything about how you gotta install the Cordova in your machine, how you're gonna create an application. So Cordova is already installed in my machine, so go ahead and hit this comment in your terminal. Actually, for those who don't know the terminal, for Mac, to get the terminal, you just come here and write term. Just for your system, you can just make a Google search. You click Google search on terminal. I think they're going to show you how to open the terminal for your specific system. So I think for Linux-based systems, it's called terminal. You just search terminal and you get it appear here. I got already Cordova installed in my machine. So if I run Cordova -v, you see I have Cordova 8.00, I think, which is the most recent Cordova version. So from here, since let's assume Cordova has been installed, to install Cordova, just remember you got to install Node.js as stated here, and npm. Nothing is also for this. I think you've got a brief overview of how I'm going to create this application. So Cordova will be our container, our web container that's going to hold our whole files, HTML, CSS, and JS. So let's go ahead and look for something cool to put in there. So for that, I have this code theme on startbootstrap.com. It's a bootstrap theme, completely free, so you can download it. Let me go ahead, click download. It's gonna download the theme for me. So if I got it on my machine, I can change. Let's go to the live view to have more insight. I can change this to my site name. I can change the images and put everything I want there. Cool. There's a gallery display. You can change it, and you're gonna have. I bet you're gonna have exactly the same views in your mobile phone or in your Android or iOS device. So, can we get started now? I think so. Now let's open our text editor or code editor. You can use Notepad++. If you're on Windows, you can use Code, but I advise you to use Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and download it. I think let's just go to search Code or Visual Studio Code. That's what I use. So if you click here, I'm sure they're going to show you how to install it. Download for Mac or Windows. Linux is a very good code editor to start with. I think currently for me it's the best. So let's not spend much time on the text editor. It's a project open here. I'm going to close the project. Close the folder. Cool. Now I have this empty. I can create by opening the console here. You see it's the same terminal I have here. Code has it integrated in it, so it will be easier for you. If you install code, you can get your terminal directly from here. So when I'm here, I can switch to my directory where I want my code to be, or my app to be. Desktop, my project file, CD desktop. When I made CD desktop, so I'm going to the desktop, CD, let me create a folder here. Maybe don't worry about this. It's just simple. When it's command to create things, source like folders, is métiers to create a directory. When you create a directory and call it address key. I have address key, so I can CD change directory to address key. Okay, cool. When address key, we have it display here. You can now in address key. This is where our app is going to lie. So let's go to Cordova and see how to create a container app. Cordova gives this command, so I'm going to copy it, paste it here. Cordova create my app. Let's name it's ready to launch. Creating the app, so the Cordova has created a new app for us called my app. If we enter in this directory, cd my app, you discover that there are files. Let's go navigate actually to the directory. Is address key, my app. These are files generated by Cordova, and from here we can launch the app directly. So we have to add, as Cordova say, you cd in my app, and then you run this command Cordova platform app browser, just to test and simulate your app in the browser. So for Android, you can imagine, you can just guess it, is Cordova app platform Android, and For iOS, it's Cordova App Platform iOS. These things are basic and pretty easy to remember. So I've added the platform. It's notified. You see same browser. Cool. So we can go ahead and run the platform to see the result. If you run, you're gonna see something like this. So you successfully created your first app, Cordova app. You can clap for yourself. Then we go to the place where you have this image and where you have this little blinking style. You want to see that it's actually an HTML page. Here we open it. Then we come here in Visual Studio Code. I open the folder. It's on the desktop. Address key. So this is the folder I open. Let's go to index, www, navigate to index. Okay, you see title hello world. If you come here, title, let's increase title hello world. Device is ready. Let's add some text here just to show if the viewer app. DDD, device is ready. DDD, device is ready. Need to reload. What's going on? Okay, when we open this folder, we change the actually release as code, so we have to run Cordova run browser again. Since we are already in the directory, we see devices ready DVD. Okay, let's write something cool. Just enough. We do it. Just enough. We do it. Okay. And now let's run Cordova again. Just enough. We do it. Cool. We are good to start. So you have already a place. You have your web content. This is actually a web content website or some stuff like this. I want to call this a website because this space is not complete. So, but this is the syntax of an HTML page for those who don't know it. This is a simple HTML page, easy to understand. Just Google. You're gonna find great tips on how HTML functions actually. So let's open our downloaded theme. Okay, this is our downloaded theme folder. You will see you always have the index of HTML. So we're going to go ahead and copy this content. Copy 12 elements, yes. Here we don't need all of this. It's Cordova default file. So we're going to send all this to the trash. Move to trash here. And then we paste the 12 items. Cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And then we can run our Cordova. You find this? Isn't that cool? We have already something to start from. We can go ahead and modify some stuff in there just to make it look a little bit more personal or modified. Let's put Doris Kinov. I'm gonna put the APK to this app in the description so you can download and see that it actually works. Welcome to our studio. I'm not going to bother changing anything more in there. So we can run the app again. The address cannot here. I'm fine with that. I want this site to be, I want this actually to be my application. So what I'm going to do is, as I said, to add the Cordova platform, you run the command Cordova. You run the command Cordova platform. Add Android. Okay. You see Using Cordova Fetch for Cordova, let's leave time to run. It has added, so it's so fast and so easy. From here, you can go ahead and open the files. Come here. You see, if you go one directory backwards, that is, since when you www you go backward, you come in the main directory of my app. If you open platforms, you're going to see actually this browser and this Android. So we have already our Android project generated by Cordova. From there, Android Studio can take the hand, or you can come here with Cordova if you like, but I mostly prefer Android Studio because there's a graphical interface for that game, and there is us with easy tips to do that. So let's open up Android Studio. Right here, Android Studio, loading. Okay, got to select this option, import project, Gradle Eclipse. So you select this option. Um, let's go to a directory, to desktop, choose key, okay, my app, open platforms, and then there's Android. Okay, click open. It's gonna tell you to you have to sync the Gradle. Just click OK. I'm gonna explain this in subsequent videos if you want me to do so. If you want me, if this video is liked and shared to a maximum number of people, just like, share, comment, share, tell me what you think about this video, and tell me how to improve. You can give me tips on what to make tutorials on next time. Okay, this is just a simple Gradle issue. Gradle sync. Let's wait. Let's close this. Executing. Let's wait for it. You have to. Yeah, Gradle build finish in how many seconds? From here, you have your Android app already. You can run with Android Studio. Select the SDK you want to run with, and then you click OK. It's gonna run our application in this. Okay, this is a phone, which you can see it well. It's an Android emulator. You have your emulator. Let's wait for it to start properly. It might take some time. Yeah, all is done. It's compiled. You can see the app. Yeah, this is the app, and we can manipulate. You see, this is the name I gave, Yourseft. And if you scroll down, actually the app is running in my emulator. So I'll put the link to the APK in the description, so watch out. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and wait for more. If you didn't enjoy, don't worry, you can still subscribe and comment. Put in the comment section what you like to have from this video series. Thank you to all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye.